Hi guys, how are you? It's Michelle from Let's Talk About It. Today we are going to be talking about the new kid on the block. It's called the WP Plugin Vault. It's launching on April 23rd, 2019 at 8 a.m. EDT. Now, this is the bomb, people. This is a creation by Mark Slater. And ideally what it is just having all your plugins in one place. Fabulous. You don't have to go looking for them every time you create a new website and you want to use the same plugins that have worked for you on the other sites. I know, because I've often found myself in that quandary. I try to figure out, oh my God, what did I use again? How do I find it? Where have I stored it? Well, with this plugin, it just takes care of all of that. So let's just cut to the chase, and I'm going to take you to the dashboard of the actual plugin to show you how it works. Now here is my main site where I have the plugin. See, it says it right there. And here you'll see all the plugins that have been installed on my site. Now I'm going to go back and forth in order to try to explain how everything works. Now here is another site, and I have also put the plugin on this site. However, this is the linked site, so it's going to be a little different. There it is. However, if you notice here, and that's the actual vault where everything is, and then over here where we are, it's where let me move this over a little bit, where you will see the plugins that I choose to upload from the vault. I'm not taking everything, but just to give you an idea. So let me go back to the main site, and let's go over to the vault. I love the name. It sounds so gothic and scary, but the idea is fabulous. It's a storage place for just about everything that you would consider precious for your website. Okay, my computer is just a little slow, probably because I've been working at it all day. Okay, I think it's about to come. So here we are. Now, to install the software, it's just like so simple. You have to activate it, and you need to pay attention here. Once you activate it, it gives you a URL. This is the URL that you're going to use on the other sites that you choose to connect the vault with. So you're going to have to pay attention to this, but all that is in the instructions when you purchase your software. Now, there are two ways to upload it. Either when you download your plugins separately to your hard disk, or using a zip file, or when you go to the the WordPress.org site to download a plugin. Then, you know, these are the two ways you can upload the plugin, any kind of plugin, to the site, to your mother site. I'm going to use that because it's easier and for you to do the work. Now, as I was saying earlier, let's say, for example, you don't have a plugin and you download it from WordPress.org. You can just stay there and take the URL from WordPress.org and put it right here and then upload it. So that's another option. So you don't really have to download it to your site, then upload it. It's just not necessary. It's an easy way. So what else? Let's talk a little bit about the actual plugin, the price. Okay, those are my bonuses. We'll come back to that. So basically, it's an easy WordPress plugin to use. Hands-on it is. Brainless. Any newbie can do it. And of course, the vet, it'll be a walk in the park for them. You don't have to remember where you put all your plugins, because you will have a spot for them in the vault. It also allows you to install any WordPress plugin on another site, no matter where you are. I mean, no matter where you have your site. So this would take me to explain to you that you have two pricing. You have one for unlimited sites, and then you have the developers plugin, which is good for those of us who do website creation on a commercial level. Perfect. And of course, you can install multiple plugins at the same time. Now, this also has an upgrade, well, two upgrade options. You have the W Plugin Vault Extra, where you get additional features that help you with setting up your site. And the features are one-click installation of common WordPress.org plugins, fast installation of any third-party plugin you're using the URL, that's what I was saying earlier, and multiple plugin delete capability. Yes, what if you put something on, you don't like it, you can get rid of it. Perfect. And the bonus here is a WordPress quick setup. I mean, guys, this has just about everything you can think of. Even what you don't think of, because I was like, that is really neat. I really like the part where you can download using the URL from the WordPress platform. Sometimes I upload from a zip file that I store on my hard disk. So that's really a plus. The other option is this one, the WP Plugin Vault Plus, the Affiliate Buddy. Now, these will already be pre-installed in the Vault. And here's what you can do with the WP Affiliate Buddy. You can transform any keyword into an affiliate link. The links stand out and grab your visitor's attention. You can use any text color, combine with any highlight color, any bold or underlined text, creates SEO-friendly links, provides unique stats on every link so you know which links are successful. Now that is really nice, so you can see which links are working for you. Definitely something that any marketer would like to have, because he'd like to know if his links are working or not, which ones to use more of, and so forth. So definitely a good thing. So that's the basic plugin, what software, the upgrades, and how it will help you in your choice. Let me move right over to the bonuses. If you choose to purchase this plugin using my link, I've got 3 great bonuses that I think are going to work fabulously with the WP Plugin Vault. Here we have the WP Plugin Power Pack. It's a collection of 4 different WordPress plugins that you can use, sell, or use for your clients' projects. It's earn per click bonus widget, shows your upcoming posts, and also it shows registered users move featured image to the top WP plugin. The other one is subscribers only WordPress plugin. Guys, WordPress is such a tongue twister, and then just putting WordPress plugin with it makes it even more challenging, but you get my drift. So if I make a lot of slips, it's just not that easy talking about WordPress plugins on a whole. So this is where the WordPress website owners are looking to grow their email list. Of course, the money is in the list, as they say, and this is a neat little plugin to help you get your subscribers coming back and, checking out your site and simply being there for you. And number 3 is the WP Social Pop-ups plugin. Of course, having a social share blog button on your blog or site is ideal and one of the best ways to get viral traffic back to your site. What if you can create a social pop-up that demands your visitors' attention and forces them to take action? Using this plugin, you can do so. So there you have it, guys. I think these 3 bonuses should all work together in helping your site be where it needs to be. And of course, let's just go back to this. Let me go back here. So remember, the WP Plugin Vault is launching the 23rd of April at 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And guys, it is so worth it. I really think you should invest in this software just for the sake of organizational priority. You know, it's really neat being able to keep everything in one place. So there you have it, guys. Did I miss anything? As you can see, you know, this, I have the plugin with everything, the WordPress setup, the plugins already installed, the extra ones, the .org plugins, and the ability to use it, install plugins using the URL. So it's a great software, people. And you know, Mark here, you know, he's always there if you need him, so he's great when it comes to support, because I had a few questions and I just sent an email, and you know, keep in mind the time difference. He is down under, so it takes a little time for him to get back to you, but still within 24 hours he did get back to me. And of course his Facebook group, definitely is something to be a part of, because you know, he's very alive on Facebook. And that's about it, guys. You know, by all means, check out the WP plugin vault and try it. I am sure you will like it. I will leave all the information in the box below. I did a very honest and open review on it, and just go over it and see what I wrote and what I experienced, and I am sure it will help you to make your decision as well. So thanks for watching, and all the best. Bye.